32-year-old woman in Kedah with stomach infection escaped hospital ward because she did not settle her hospital bill after her insurance, which she claims she had, cannot be used. Nurse called her, but she don't answer the phone. So police report was made, and then she went into hiding. House is locked, nobody at home. I know a lot of Malaysians will get very nervous, very pissed, very shocked when you are in this woman's shoes. But before you turn into a kancheong spider, I will teach you what to check first, including the reasons your medical card cannot be used too. So, to avoid an incident where police come to find you, hayo. So there are a few things, but the third thing I am about to tell you is the deadliest that can catch you off guard. First, check when is the last time you pay your insurance premium. If you say, I do not remember, very possible your policy lapsed already. So you having a medical card is in your mind only, in your imagination only. Insurance company, no money, no talk. Okay. Second thing, assuming your medical insurance is not lapsed, then you don't nervous, no need to gelabah, no need to kancheong one. First, the cost could be missing some documents. Not common, but that can happen. Let me explain. Now, the hospital admission process need the clinic, the doctor office to fill in multiple documents. Mind you, filled by human, and human can make mistakes, like left out some details, or a sheet of paper, a sheet of form is missing. So that stopped the insurance company from issuing a guarantee letter to the hospital for your admission. But when you ask the hospital staff, they might just tell you, oh, the guarantee letter GL reject, or the medical card cannot be used. But actually, that might not be the case unless you dig further. You do not take the reply at face value, because they might be so busy, the hospital staff, handling 20-30 hospital admissions per hour or per day. How can you expect them to remember every single details of what the insurance company told them? Now, the third thing is, like I promised, sometimes the insurance company needs more information before they issue you the GL or the guarantee letter. Now, I give you a scenario. If you are the insurer and I buy a medical card from you today, and then 8 months down the road, I suddenly kena heart attack, and that surgery may cost 60,000. You, as the insurance company in this scenario, will be suspicious or not. When you are suspicious, what do? You on hold from issuing the guarantee letter. Technically, you did not reject my request for hospital admission using the guarantee letter, but you want to find out, as an insurance company, if I had been honest telling you how healthy I am during the medical insurance applications. Remember, 8 months ago, you want to check this, verify before you approve my request, before you issue me the guarantee letter. Now, how insurance company can find that out though, and what you need to know to actually counter that. Here goes. On the second part, I think if I say this out in public, it may cause a backlash. So I'm just going to skip this and go to the fourth point. Reason why your medical card cannot be used at private hospitals. And that is exclusion clause in your insurance policy. I repeat it again, exclusion clause. There are some standard ones like in this list. Pause and rewind if you need to read this. Then there is one specific exclusion that might apply to you. How do you know that? Well, no other way other than to retrieve your insurance policy, look inside the policy and look for any specific exclusion clause or clauses. If you cannot remember, like this, now you can pause and read. The last step you can do to confirm your medical card really cannot be used, you call in to the number behind your medical card, and that's usually the insurance company call center or hotline. And you get to the bottom of the reason why the insurance company refused to issue you the guarantee letter. Sometimes the rejection reason or the message could get distorted in transit. Insurer can say, okay, I'm just going to on hold from issuing this guarantee letter until you, now as the patient, give them more details on your current health condition. And that could be in the form of past health check reports, which sometimes, if it's within the hospital itself, you need to give your consent to the hospital before the hospital can release your past medical reports to the insurance company. But hospital staff, sometimes, like I say, they are too busy, they overlook stuff. Maybe they just tell you, oh, GL reject, medical card cannot be used. Now, the fifth reason, I probably shouldn't be telling you this, but it has to do with